Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both phones, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and open the screencast or Smart View control on the sending device. Because Discovery relies on local services, make sure both phones are on the same network or one creates a hotspot. This reduces latency and prevents routing through the internet. Once done, grant any prompt permissions on the receiving phone so the sender can find it. Now tap the cast device list to show available targets and get ready to connect. You now pick the receiving phone from the sender's cast list and start the session. This is the critical connection step. If available, choose mirroring for full screen display or choose app-specific casting to limit what's shared, because that controls privacy and battery use. Make sure orientation and resolution match the receiver's display. Lowering resolution can reduce lag. Once streaming begins, test audio and touch responsiveness so you can confirm the experience is fluid and usable for your purpose. To finish, tap Stop Cast on the sending phone. This cleanly releases resources and preserves battery. If you plan to reconnect, use the Recent Devices list for a faster link. If Discovery fails, restart Wi-Fi or toggle Bluetooth on both phones because transient radio glitches are the most common cause. Also check app permissions, background data, and battery saver settings. These can block casting. If audio lags, lower resolution. If video stutters, move phones closer or switch to a 5 GHz network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.